own cheesecake. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Teen Bakes, where I bake, and today we're going to be making cheesecakes. We're not going to be making a whole cheesecake though, it's going to be mini cheesecakes. It's only going to make 6 mini cheesecakes, so it's a quick bake and let's get into it. Okay, so let us preheat our oven to 165 degrees Celsius. So starting with the crust of our cheesecake, you are going to need 1/3 cup of crushed biscuits, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Now get your bowl and add in your crushed biscuits, your sugar, and your melted butter. And then just using a fork, just mix this all up together until it is just all combined. Once you are done mixing all of this together, then you can prepare a muffin tray with some muffin cups inside of them, and just using a spoon, you are going to evenly spoon the mixture into your muffin cups. Once you have done that, then you can firmly press them into the tray. And now our crust is ready to go into the oven. You are going to want to bake this for 5 minutes, and once they come out, then do not switch off your oven, because we are going to bake our cheesecake filling inside the same heat. Once your crust is done baking, then you can take it out and just place them on a surface where they can just cool off. While that cools off, we can move on to our filling. So you will need 1 package of cream cheese, 1/4 cup of white sugar, 1½ tablespoons of lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 large egg. Get your bowl and add in your cream cheese, your lemon juice, your sugar, and your vanilla extract. And then beat this with your hand mixer on a low speed until light and fluffy. Once your mixture is light and fluffy, then you can get your egg and add that into the mixture and just continue beating. Now that we're done making our filling, you can bring back your crust that has been cooling, and then you will just use a spoon and just evenly spoon the mixture out on top of the crust. Once you have spooned out your cheesecake filling on top of the crust, then they are now ready to go into the oven. The cheesecakes are going to bake for about 25 minutes in the oven. So the cheesecakes are done baking, and now we're just going to put them on a surface where they can just cool down. Now that they're done cooling off, we can just put them into the refrigerator and just let them do their thing in there. Once your cheesecakes are done cooling off in the fridge, then you can just unwrap them and enjoy them. Of course, you can add a topping if you want to, like a strawberry sauce or something. I enjoyed mine plain though, and these were really good. So if you guys liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.